Liseberg is my favorite amusement park in Sweden and one of the best parks in all of Europe. Located in the city of Gothenburg, this park has an amazing atmosphere and a fantastic ride lineup consisting of 7 different roller coasters, some crazy flat rides, and enjoyable water rides. And as you'd expect, this park can draw some crowds. Helix gets the worst waits at 45 to 60 minutes most days, and the other main rides can get 20 to 40 minute waits as well. Fortunately, this park has an amazing and free virtual queue system. This video will discuss how the system works and offer some tips how to use it. Understanding how to use this system is the key to maximizing your day at Liseberg. This service is available on the following roller coasters: Helix, Balder, Valkyria, Liseberg Banan, and Luna. It is also offered on the following flat rides: Loki, Aerospin, and Mechanica. It is also available in the park's 2 dark ride experiences, Underlandit and Spook Hotel at Gaston. Lastly, it can also be used in the park's 2 water rides, Colorado and Flume Ride. To use the virtual queue, you must have the park app. All reservations are made and modified in the app. Anyone physically inside the park can use the virtual queue. It uses your device's location, so it's advantageous to have cell service throughout the whole park. But if you don't, the park offers free Wi-Fi on one end of the park. You can reserve 1 ride at a time. You get a 10-minute window to return to the ride. It is worth knowing that you physically have to be through the virtual queue lane and scan into the attraction before your time expires. Once you scan in, you can book another ride. You can either book a different one or book the same ride over and over again. Times are constantly being replenished, so keep on refreshing until a ride and time you like becomes available. From what I saw, Helix was the hardest virtual queue reservation to snag, but usually one would come up every 5 minutes if I kept on refreshing, and it was so worth it because it saved the most time on that ride specifically. 3 additional tips about the virtual queue. 1. Valkyria's virtual queue does not allow front row access. All of the other virtual queues offer standard seat selection as you merge into the station. 2. Times are easier to get the smaller your group is. If you're a solo rider, you can often see rides in times that larger groups cannot. 3. It goes by device, not park tickets. This means that anyone in your group can book a virtual queue on their phone. They pick a ride and group size. That means if you have 4 people, all 4 people can use their individual phones to book a different ride for the group. I spent 1.5 days at Liseberg this past summer on a busy weekend day, and I got nearly 60 rides, mostly thanks to the virtual queue. This included 22 on Helix alone. I really hope this service remains free in the coming years, as so many parks that have introduced free virtual queues have eventually made them paid up charges. As it stands, this is currently my favorite skip-the-line service at any amusement park out there. So that is a quick overview how to use Liseberg's virtual queue system. What are your thoughts about this service? If you have any questions I didn't answer in this video, please leave them in the comments. If you enjoyed this informational video, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like, and you considered subscribing, because there'll be a lot more roller coaster and amusement park videos here at Canopy Coaster. Thanks for watching.